It is such a misty morning with lots of mist everywhere. Can you see the train? The mist actually propels the light, so it looks like the light is extending a lot further. Without this mist, the lamp you see here, it would be not obscured. But as you can see, it's just a ball. That is the light around the mist being absorbed by the water and being reflected back. So instead of going in a straight direction, has its direction changed so that it looks like it is going in all different directions, even above, which actually the light should not actually be showing. So to put mist in a sentence, we say, the mist is strong. It is a misty morning. You can also use this for fog. Today was a foggy day. In the morning, the fog was very extensive. The fog was beautiful. I love the mist. The mist is something that's very unique to a cold day in which there are no clouds, but it is very humid. And also, it makes you just enjoy and appreciate the wonders of being alive, and also just to appreciate the fact that the world is what it is.